Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to copy and transfer elements from one Revit project into another using the Clone Project Elements command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. This command helps you clone elements from a source Revit file into your current project. Start by selecting the Revit file that contains the elements you want to clone. This will be your source file. Next, choose which elements you want to bring into your project. You can select individual items like families or annotation elements. And with the plus button, you can add multiple elements across different categories in one go. Once your selection is complete, click Run button. The selected elements will be imported into your project, ready for use. Let's check the results. All selected elements have been successfully cloned from the source Revit file. All right, now let's try cloning things like drafting views, legends, schedules, and sheets in one go. Let's click the Run button and see the results. Our selected elements, drafting views, legends, schedules, and sheets, are now successfully part of our project. Now let's try another example where we can use the category filter option to clone specific elements, such as families. All right, let's filter the families category and select furniture to clone only furniture-related elements. Let's click the Run button and see the results. As we can see, we now have cloned furniture families in the project after running the command. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.